Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Platform Engineering on Kubernetes, written by Mauricio Salatino.
Platforms on top of Kubernetes have become a hot topic in the cloud-native and Kubernetes communities. The book aims to explore the purpose and benefits of these platforms, focusing on the challenges of architecting, building, and running applications on top of Kubernetes. The goal is to equip the platform team with the necessary tools to enable other teams to deliver software more efficiently. Platforms are a set of tools and services that aid internal teams with their software delivery process. They provide APIs for teams to deliver business value without the need to learn complex tools and ecosystems. Cloud providers like AWS, Google, Microsoft, Alibaba, and IBM have offered platforms for years. However, organizations need to spend time building their own domain-specific workflows on how to use these tools that are bound to a single provider. This book focuses on organization-specific platforms that can operate on-premises or across multiple cloud providers. These platforms allow organizations to define their workflows, tools, and practices by leveraging the Kubernetes and the Cloud Native and Computing Foundation (CNCF) ecosystems that are crucial for building cloud provider-agnostic platforms. Platform engineering involves creating internal teams responsible for improving the software delivery process. This often includes a dedicated platform engineering team that collaborates with development teams, operations teams, and cloud provider experts. The platform team creates golden paths, which, for example, allows application development teams to focus on building new features and not on how to set up complex tools. While there are tools available to assist platform teams, there is no off-the-shelf platform that can meet all of an organization's needs. Kubernetes provides the building blocks for creating platforms that solve specific challenges. While Kubernetes provides APIs, a CLI, and dashboards, these tools are complex and low-level for most teams. Platforms built on top of Kubernetes can reuse the Kubernetes declarative model and design principles to encapsulate the knowledge and workflows required by different teams inside the organization. These workflows, also known as golden paths, can be exposed by providing self-service APIs that teams can consume. The CNCF landscape offers a wide range of tools for building platforms, promoting open innovation and collaboration across cloud providers. This book offers a practical approach, taking the reader on a journey with a walking skeleton application that is used to demonstrate some of the cloud-native challenges that teams will face. It then builds a walking skeleton for our platform, so the reader can get hands-on experience with tools and approaches to build platforms on top of Kubernetes. The book covers various topics, including challenges of cloud-native applications, building and deploying services, environment pipelines, multi-cloud infrastructure, building a platform on Kubernetes, platform capabilities, and measuring platform performance. Let's get started deploying your first cloud-native application.
Get this book at manning.com